Hello everybody and welcome back. Thanks for tuning back in. Project's coming along good. I'm putting this episode out there because I would like to review a couple tools. Put you up to speed on the projects. I have my camshafts installed, my valve springs are installed, the car is timed. I had to replace my plastic tensioners, but I did not have to replace the swing arm tensioners. That wasn't too bad. But now we're ready to roll. Front covers ready to be put on, etc. That's all well and good. Some tools that I used that I want to show you are, start with this one. It's a Crankshaft Positioning tool. It's number 525219. Notice how it's got that keyway slot on the round part. This round part here has a keyway slot on it, and there's a slot here. And when you put your engine on number 1 top dead center, you're going to notice your keyway is pointed roughly where this is, like this. So when you think you have it on number 1 and you want to put it perfect according to Ford, you would slip this tool over, and down here I'm going to show you the nub. This nub right here is what that part fits on. So when you slide it over the crank, it can only go on one way, the right way, and it puts you on number 1 top dead center without worrying about if you're off on the wall one way or another. I thought that was a really nice tool. Again, that's 525219. It's Crankshaft Positioning tool. When I installed my cams, I actually moved my crank back about 30 degrees or so. I didn't want any on top dead center for worry of breaking a valve possibly. But I knew I was in the right area with this tool I just mentioned. The other tool I want to go over that I thought was pretty useful, I got out of this, it's part number 6489. It's a Master Ford cam tool set. Didn't have to buy it or rent it. I couldn't find any place that rents it, so I borrowed it from a mechanic friend of mine. And the only tool I actually used out of it was this, and it's the camshaft. It locks your camshaft in place. Its part number is 511545. You can see the cam goes in the middle. The rubber ends rest on your head. You tighten it down, it locks the cam from moving. When I installed the first side, I put this tool on before moving to the second, just to make sure nothing jumped. I also used this tool in order to torque these bolts down to 90 foot-pounds. I also had to install this tool because my torque wrench wanted to turn the motor, obviously. So this helped a lot in that regard on both sides. But, yeah, everyone, 511545. It's part of that kit, but I'm sure you can buy it individually. I'm sure it's probably on Amazon or someplace. Yeah, I haven't posted a video in a while. I thought I'd put all of you up to speed to where we are. I'm ready to put the front cover back on, ready to put the intake back on after I clean this gasket surface. Ready to put all the covers back on. Did all the hard part is over with. New cams in, engine's timed, springs are installed, everything's good. So, I hope you enjoyed my episode and tool review. Please subscribe if you like, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.